Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pathfinder in Illustrator CS6. Now, if you don't have Pathfinder present, what you can do is go to Windows to locate Pathfinders. Now, the name Pathfinder doesn't actually find paths. It may be misleading to beginners. The panel is itself divided into rows. The top 4 icons are called shape modes, and the bottom 5 are pathfinders. Now let's start at the top row and work from left to right. The first one, Unite, combines all the selected objects and merges them into a single shape. So with my selection tool, I am going to select my object and then press Unite. Now, if your objects are different colors, the merged shape takes on the attribute of the topmost shape. The next one, minus front, uses the topped object, and think of it like a cookie cutter. It will subtract their shape from the bottom object. So select my object and press minus front. The next one, intersect, it deletes everything that does not overlap and combines the rest into a single shape. So I will select my object and press intersect. The next one, exclude, basically the opposite of intersect, and instead of getting rid of everything that isn't overlapping, it gets rid of everything that does overlap. So I will select my object and press exclude. The next one, divide, it divides and cuts the artwork into separate pieces whenever shapes overlap, and can ungroup the shapes and move them with the selection tool. So I will take my pencil tool and I am going to start drawing on this shape. Now with my selection tool, I'm going to select everything. And you want to make sure you get everything. And then press divide. And then I will go to objects and ungroup. And now I can just start moving the pieces. The next one, trim, which removes part of the objects that are overlapping or hidden. So I will select my object and press trim. The next one, merge. Merge overlapping objects filled with the same color regardless of the stacking order. So I will select my object and then press merge. The next one, crop, uses the topmost object to crop away everything else. And think of it as an inverse cookie cutter. It also removes the strokes. So you select your objects and press crop. The next one, outline, like divide, only instead of individual shapes, the result is individual line segments. So you will select your object and press outline. The next one, minus back, does the opposite of minus front. Anything overlapping and in the back of the front, most objects go away. So select your object and press minus back. Okay, well that's everything there is to know about Pathfinder. And